Uy! Uy!
Uy!
Hunian ni hunay kumuton. Uyan ang kumuton sa bahay. Ay di ka magayani sa muno, taga Katanduanis kami. Ang mangyayari sa imo kunot, kinunot.
Nagpunta man kami doon sa Mandalay Hotel. Ikaw man kayo ni talaga.
Oh, here's nice fish.
Wow.
Oh, look at that one. Wow.
Kuya pansarong kunuton.
Wait, this is Camille. No,
Luwas na
sideways.
soup. Ah, sango.
How old na kaya sila, no?
Kaputunta.
Oh, Camille, that's good. Oh, I like it. Oh, my.
Talakito ko.
Ayun.
Yun. Talakito ko. Boy. Masiram. Ay, si boy. Masiraman inuno.
Ako hindi pwede na kunuton.
Oh,
Pating.
patingan.
What happens when you leave it up?
Ibang klase man ano, flatfish na daw masabutan.
May stingray
Parang
ang
stingray
payo.
na.
Pero hindi siya stingray.
Pero,
Baka dyan ito, fish.
no, it's a kind of stingray kasi flat eh. Oh.
Apo.
Pero, ay di ako ka masibag salbay. Kasi ko
Parehas na parehas siya.
Aw di ko an min bid. Ala, abot ko kan. Hindi ko kan niya bid.
There's another.
Ayo, teka magluwas noy.
Go inside, Camille.
Boy.
Dali, ayan.
Camille is there. Camille.
Boy.
Go inside.
Sabi ko boy, ayot, teka noy magluwas.
Ganda yung limpa. Nagnetas sa mga
Ungrinas kay kaanboy na gibo na ano, adubado. Sa lumahing ay
Go out na, baby. Go out.
Camille, here. There you go.
Ang magnificent talaga ni
Ay, duwa na nga, duwa na. Igwang siyukoy. Igwang siyukoy.
Anong magnificent yung swordfish na sarap niya.
Shokoy, not me.
What does that mean?
These are all safe to touch, and we will show you how to touch them when you get there. We also have land animals that are part of our climate change exhibit, and that's followed by the final area, which is our river otter exhibit. I want to thank you so much for visiting, for supporting our nonprofit organization, helping us protect the animals, helping us give free field trips for kids, and enjoy. It's going to be out of the back
The
door.
ones they released are purposefully released into areas that are not native because they're only native to the southeast on the United States and they're found all over the world. That's on the shell there. She's trying to swim out of my hand.